Today we're at Rhino Foods in Burlington, Vermont to play the American Dream experience.
This is the American Dream game. This is basically the game of life meets Chutes and Ladders.
I guess I'm going in a little feeling defensive.
These are complicated topics to talk about.
The idea of the American Dream is that if you work hard enough, you can achieve anything. We hope people realize with this game that the American Dream was really not something that was actually attainable by everyone. And if that's still something that we aspire to make a part of our narrative in this country, then we have a lot of work to do. We are going to have all of you players play just a different character, and you will roll the die, move those number of spaces, and these are everyday real-life scenarios, things that have happened to people. We want you just to introduce yourselves as your characters, and can you think a little bit about what the American Dream might be for your character?
I am a transgender woman. I am white, but I'm Middle Eastern.
I'm a black woman.
I'm an Asian woman.
I'm a man. I'm white, upper income, so he's probably living the American dream.
My American dream is to go back to college.
Be accepted in society.
Martha, can you please roll?
Oh, man.
I love how all of our chance cards and all of our scenarios are all real-life stories.
We customize the chance cards for every organization and community that we go into so that people are really digging into issues that are really relevant to that particular organization.
Okay, your name is consistently mispronounced at work, even though you've politely corrected people, sometimes more than once. People of color move back one space.
Why might that be something that would frustrate someone and might interrupt them on their path toward the American Dream?
My name's Abdi Kareem, and people usually just call me Abdi, but I would really love for people to just call me by my real name.
The apology is that I always say Abdi, and the appreciation that you shared that, and sort of an aha moment that a name can sort of really make an impact on somebody.
You overhear two of your coworkers whispering to each other. Why does it have to be about diversity? We just need to hire the best person.
Does this card resonate with anyone? Anything sound familiar?
I am a female that is a lead in the warehouse. And I've lived that stereotype of, oh, you're a female, you can't do that. I've had to train myself to be that person that said, oh yeah? Watch me do it.
The conversation is focused only on black-white relations. Does this sound familiar?
I've experienced more where I think people have these conversations in front of me and think I'm not going to be offended, because I'm Indian.
I really appreciate you doing this and jumping into the conversation and sharing and everything. So, thank you.
At the end of this training, a lot of people said to me on the way out, it could have been the whole day. There's so much to discover. We can't do enough of this.
I didn't expect a lot of people to be here, but it was a great experience for me.
My big takeaway is just listening and stepping back.
It took me half the game to be like, wait a minute, I'm married to someone that's on this card, and they're a really good person.
It's not just beneficial at my work here at Rhino. It will benefit me outside in the real world.
Even after 90 minutes, people walk out of this room changed. Once you actually start to care about what is going on with your colleagues, your coworkers, your employees, you're going to be more motivated to do something. And that's where the real change can happen.